Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zoho Vault login issues, role and access errors step by step clearly. If you are experiencing login issues with Zoho Vault, you are not alone. First, check your internet connection to ensure you are online. Sometimes, a weak or intermittent connection can cause login problems. Next, confirm that you are entering the correct username and password. Be sure to check for any typos or case sensitivity. If you have forgotten your password, utilize the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the on-screen instructions to receive a recovery email. Once you have reset your password, attempt to log in again. If you are still facing issues, check if your account has the required permissions. Log into your Zoho admin console to verify your user role and access level. Ensure that your account has not been deactivated or suspended by an admin. If you are part of a team, consult with your team administrator for access concerns. Additionally, review the organization policies regarding access to Zoho. If your access is restricted, request the necessary permissions from your admin. If the problem persists, try clearing your browser cache and cookies. This can often resolve any lingering issues that affect login functionality. You can also attempt to use a different browser or device to log in. Sometimes, compatibility issues can cause login failures. If none of these steps work, consider reaching out to Zoho support for further assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the error messages you encounter. They can offer specialized solutions based on your account status. By following these steps, you can resolve most login issues with Zoho Vault. Stay patient as you work through each potential solution. Remember that maintaining proper access is crucial for security and efficiency. With the right approach, you can regain access to your Zoho Vault account. Good luck resolving your login issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.